Across vast and rugged mountain terrain, a single spark can grow into a devastating wildfire within minutes. Beyond the reach of human observation, autonomous wildfire drones continuously patrol the forest from above. The alert is transmitted instantly to the control center, where operators locate the fire and predict its direction. Their thermal cameras detect subtle changes in temperature, revealing hidden ignition points before smoke becomes visible.
Launch the autonomous fleet, now!
As commanders prepare the response, technicians complete final checks on every aircraft and fire suppression capsule. The firefighting drones launch immediately. Their mission is to contain the flames before the fire can expand.
Now it's going to fuels here for you, Ted.
Hovering above the ignition zone, each drone calculates the precise release point and drops a suppression capsule. The capsule opens on impact, spreading fire retardant across the ground and rapidly reducing the surrounding heat. As the flames divide and spread, additional drones arrive to attack multiple sections of the fire at once. But driven by powerful winds, the wildfire grows into a massive fire front. A stronger response is now required. A new heavy-lift drone enters the operation, carrying a high-capacity water tank designed for large wildfires. A massive curtain of water falls across the flames as multiple aircraft work together to weaken the advancing fire. When the wildfire approaches nearby homes, the automated defense network detects the danger and responds immediately. Sprinklers activate across rooftops, gardens, and property lines, soaking buildings and the dry vegetation surrounding them. A continuous curtain of water blocks airborne embers, while drones monitor the neighborhood from above. The flames stop at the saturated perimeter. Through technology and rapid action, the forest and nearby communities remain protected.